The third words of affirmation is humble words. You know, my dear, in marriage, we make request, not demand. In marriage, we make request, not demand. When you demand something from your spouse in a marriage, you become a parent and she becomes like a child. And you know, as children, as for children, we have to make demand because they don't know their left and right. They are children, so you have to make a demand on them. But in marriage, we are colleagues. It's only love that brings us together. I'm not your child. And it's not like I don't know my left and right. I know. So you make a request. You make a request. There are beautiful ways you can ask in a way of request from your spouse. So you can say,
be like you are demanding from your partner.
Exactly. So you good. Making. So you can say, you know those rice balls you cooked last week, my dear. Yes. Would it be possible for you to prepare it today?
That's nice.
It's not a demand, it's a request.
When you put it in this way, it even makes the woman equally feel that, well, it means he actually liked it. How do I do it? So it means I have to, do the same way, prepare it the same way for him to enjoy.
Yes.
Wow.
It's simple. You know, the position you gave me last week when we were making love. Is it possible for you to get, like, make it a request?
A request and not a demand.
No, it's only children we demand.
Wow.
You can't demand.
In marriages, we don't demand.
No, you don't demand. Immediately you start demanding, you are becoming dominant. You become a parent, and your spouse is a child, and they won't take it. They won't take it lightly. Immediately I sense that you are trying to be like a parent. No. Uncle D, I won't accept it.
Wow.
Last week, you remember you bought a particular shirt for me, my husband. That color was very nice. But is it possible when you are coming, you get a blue different color for me?
Wow.
Like you are. It's a give him a free will to choose to love you.
Wow.
Ever since we got married, you only buy one shirt for me, and ever since I gave birth, I don't know whether you've forgotten of me. You've never even buy anything. So you are not demanding.
Okay.
So like it will just piss him off. It will just piss him off.
So sometimes even the mood and the way we ask for things from our partners also counts.